If you're looking to upgrade your home with windows that combine style, natural light, and energy savings, bay windows are one of the best investments you can make. For homeowners in Loves Park, these beautifully designed windows not only enhance curb appeal but also help improve your home's comfort and efficiency year-round. With their unique shape and advanced construction, modern bay windows offer more than just a view. They deliver real performance benefits that can reduce your energy bills and make your home a brighter, more enjoyable place to live. Maximizing natural light while reducing energy waste. Bay windows are known for their signature 3-panel design, which typically includes a large central picture window flanked by smaller operable windows. This configuration allows more natural light to enter your home from multiple angles, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. For Loves Park homeowners, that means lower electricity use and a more open, inviting atmosphere. Even on cloudy Midwestern days, bay windows flood your living spaces with soft, natural light, creating a warm, cheerful environment without increasing your energy consumption. Improved insulation for year-round comfort. Older or poorly sealed windows can allow drafts to creep in during Loves Park's chilly winters and let cool air escape during the humid summer months. Modern bay windows are built with energy-efficient glass technology, such as double or triple pane glazing, argon gas fills, and low-E coatings that reflect heat. These features help keep warm air inside during winter and block excess heat during summer, maintaining a stable indoor temperature throughout the year. By minimizing heat transfer, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which means lower energy bills and longer-lasting heating and cooling equipment. Enhanced ventilation options. Unlike standard flat windows, bay windows often feature operable side panels, such as casement or double-hung windows, that open to allow fresh air to circulate. This added ventilation helps improve indoor air quality and reduces your reliance on air conditioning during moderate temperatures. In Loves Park's mild spring and fall months, you can easily open the side windows to enjoy natural airflow and maintain comfort without running your HVAC system. Better air circulation means a fresher, healthier living space all year long. Thermally efficient frame materials. Another key advantage of modern bay windows is the use of insulated, weather-resistant frame materials. Whether you choose vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, each is engineered to prevent air leaks and resist warping, even under Loves Park's fluctuating temperatures. These materials provide superior thermal performance compared to older wood or aluminum windows. Combined with professional installation, they form a tight seal against the elements, keeping your home comfortable no matter the season. Energy savings that add up over time. The energy-efficient features of bay windows directly translate into real cost savings. According to Energy Star, replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient models can save Midwest homeowners hundreds of dollars each year in heating and cooling costs. While bay windows are often chosen for their beauty, the long-term savings they provide make them a practical investment. With proper installation and maintenance, these windows can perform efficiently for decades, offsetting their initial cost through reduced utility bills and enhanced home value. Increased home value and comfort. Bay windows not only help you save energy but also boost your home's resale appeal. Their elegant design, added square footage, and bright interior effect make them a favorite among buyers looking for homes in Loves Park. Energy-efficient windows are also one of the top upgrades that appraisers consider when evaluating a property. Homeowners who install modern bay windows enjoy both immediate comfort and long-term return on investment. A smart upgrade for Loves Park homeowners. When it comes to combining style, comfort, and efficiency, bay windows deliver on every level. They enhance natural light, improve insulation, and reduce energy consumption, all while adding timeless beauty to your home. For homeowners in Loves Park, investing in energy-efficient bay windows is a decision that pays dividends in both comfort and cost savings. Partner with a trusted local window installation professional who understands the Midwest climate and can recommend the best materials and designs for your home. With the right installation and quality craftsmanship, Your new bay windows will not only elevate your home's look but also help you enjoy lower energy bills and greater comfort for years to come.